Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to discuss the hiring process of Future First. Basically, Future First hires through ICAI campus placement only, and this time they have also come for the hiring placement. So, uh, in this video, we are going to discuss all these topics. So let's now move on to the first one, the roles that they are going to offer. Actually, they will offer you the analyst role. The designation is not available to us, but then the roles that you will be getting is to monitor the portfolio, monitor the risks and market research. So basically, you will be working with the market, the portfolio, risk, median, buying and selling of the shares, making the decisions related to options, futures, like that. So accordingly, your roles will be based on that only. Most of the time, they do not work for the Indian market, so your timings will not be as per the Indian market, that is 9:15 to 3:30, but it will be based on the markets of other countries. So keep in mind. Now the selection process. So the selection process may take into the three-step or two-step. That depends on you. The first will be the aptitude test. Uh, in the later part of this video, I am going to share the exact questions which were asked in the test. And then it may happen that once you get selected for that test, you will have to give the HR round or the technical round. It may happen that you will give the first technical round and then the HR round, but then may also happen that you give HR round first and then the technical round. Now the next one is the compensation and the eligibility criteria. So what CTC that they were offering was 80K in hand for the May 22 attempt. This time the information is not available to me right now. And the eligibility criteria is that you just need to give the confirmation to ICI that you will be joining for the Future First interview. Now, so how was my experience for this Future First interviews? So basically, what people had said to me is that there could be two type of interviews that may happen. First would be in general, where they will ask you about your CV, past experiences, audit experiences. Did you face any difficulties during your articleship? What thing shows that you are a team leader? Tell me about yourself. These kinds of questions were asked. Apart from that, there could be other type of interviews where you will be asked about what is the current Sensex Nifty, what is the current issue going on. Currently, there was some issues with the Adani. Then you should learn about the Adani's case study beforehand. They may ask you about that. They may happen whether do you invest in the stock market or not. Do you do the options trading? How much money you have invested? From how much time are you doing the trading? These types of questions are generally asked in the interviews of Future First. The important fact that you need to take care of is that the timings that they were offering last time was 1 p.m. to 11 p.m. 11 or 12 p.m. This is what I could remember. So do make your decisions accordingly. Okay. Now moving on to the last part is the exact test questions. These were the instructions that were given beforehand. So you can see there were the negative markings, and then these were the another instructions. Now these are the some of the questions that were asked in the Future First assessment test. This is just an example of the questions that were asked. Mostly the questions were based on the graphs, and you'll have to solve the graph. You'll have to calculate the mean, median, mode, where the slope was the highest, where when the slope was the lowest. If I take the buy decision today, when should I sell it? If this is the commission that I am going to pay, what will be the net profit that I will get? So these are the questions that they may ask you. The graph is very important, very, very important. They will give you a graph first, and based on that graph, they will ask you 4 to 5 questions. And the test is a bit difficult for the Future First because people find it, most of the people don't qualify the test. So I hope you best of luck for the test, and I think this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching.